Hello. In this video I'll show you how to pair your smartphone with any latest Lexus car. In order to pair your smartphone with any latest Lexus car via Bluetooth, take a look at the screen display and next go to Menu, Setup and Bluetooth. Enter Bluetooth setup, add, and now on your smartphone go to Bluetooth settings, pair new device and select Lexus. Confirm and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.